The output speed sensor on a Ford F-150 is one of those things you rarely think about until your transmission starts acting up. Bad shifts, crazy dashboard lights, or your truck getting stuck in limp mode can all point straight at this sensor. With the F-150, Ford doesn't do us any favors in making it easy to spot. The sensor is wedged into the side of the transmission, typically on the driver's side. It's not exactly hiding, but it isn't jumping out with neon lights either. If you want to find it, you'll need to crawl under the truck. Pro tip: put the truck in park, set the parking brake, and give things a few minutes to cool down unless you enjoy singed knuckles from a hot exhaust pipe. Here's where it gets a little quirky. Between model years, the output speed sensor's location can shift slightly. On 2004 or 2010 models especially, it's right in the side of the transmission case, below where the shift linkage bolts on. Other years, it's lower down. Most folks think it's as simple as looking for a little plug with a couple of wires poking out. That's true, sort of. It's an inch-long cylinder held in by a 10mm bolt. When you spot that wire harness near the transmission pan, you're in the right area. One headache: there's often a ton of grime and road gunk covering everything down there. If you can't see what you're looking for, grab a rag or next level move, hit it with some brake cleaner. Clean it up and you'll spot the connector. Speaking of connectors, Ford's design is classic. Press in a plastic tab, wiggle the harness off, and you're halfway there. The sensor itself just needs the bolt out and some gentle coaxing. If it feels stuck, avoid prying with metal tools. Plastic breaks easily. Car forums are littered with horror stories about botched sensor swaps. Always disconnect the battery before monkeying with connectors near the transmission. It'll save you from tripping error codes or blowing a fuse, and that's a statistic you definitely want to avoid. Some people ask, why does the output speed sensor matter so much? Here's the kicker. Your F-150's transmission control module uses its signals for every shift. If the sensor misreads, you can double your shift times or even damage the transmission over thousands of miles. Swapping it out is not rocket science. Jack up the truck, secure it with stands, unplug the harness, remove that single mounting bolt, and gently pull the sensor out. A little transmission fluid might dribble out, so keep a catch pan underneath. Stick a new sensor in, reverse the steps, and you're golden, 9 out of 10 times. Always double-check the connection and bolt tightness. A loose sensor will throw more codes, and that's just throwing good time and money after bad. If your check engine light is still on or your shifts feel wonky after replacement, don't panic. Sometimes the codes need resetting with an OBD-II scanner. You can even get Bluetooth models under $30 these days. Best purchase I ever made, trust me.